accidentally disabled your GPU driver. Here's how to re-enable it. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, reset your graphic card driver. To do so, there is a keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus B, and then you will hear a beep sound after your graphic card is reset. Next, connect your graphic card via an HDMI cable. After that, you can also use your keyboard and keep on pressing some keys for hit and trial method. Next, simply reset your CMOS. After that, enable the graphics card in safe mode and then reset your device or restart your device first and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.